Welcome to the course. I'm excited to embark on this journey with you to explore how ChatGPT can open doors to new income streams online. In today's digital age, artificial intelligence is more accessible than ever, and ChatGPT is at the forefront of this revolution. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? At its core, ChatGPT is a powerful language model developed to understand and generate human-like text based on the input it receives. Imagine having a tool that can write articles, answer questions, create social media posts, and even engage in conversation, all by simply guiding it with your prompts. That's the magic of ChatGPT. It's like having a virtual assistant that can help you with a multitude of tasks, enhancing your productivity and creativity. And the best part? You don't need to be a tech guru to use it effectively. Let's delve into how ChatGPT works. It's built on advanced machine learning algorithms that have been trained on vast amounts of text data. This training enables it to understand context, grammar, and nuances of language. When you input a prompt, ChatGPT analyzes it and generates a response that aligns with the context you've provided. It's designed to be intuitive, making it user-friendly for people from all backgrounds. Now, you might be wondering, how can this tool help me make money online? Great question. The versatility of ChatGPT means you can apply it in various fields, be it content creation, customer service, marketing, or even education. By leveraging its capabilities, you can offer services that are in high demand, giving you a competitive edge in the online marketplace. It's important to understand the scope of what ChatGPT can and can't do. While it's incredibly powerful, it's not perfect. Sometimes it may produce outputs that are incorrect or lack the desired tone. That's where your guidance comes in. By learning how to craft effective prompts and refine the AI's responses, you can maximize its potential and produce high-quality results consistently. Ethics also play a crucial role when working with AI. We'll explore responsible usage, ensuring that the content generated is original, respectful, and doesn't infringe on any copyrights or promote misinformation. As we navigate through this course, I'll provide you with best practices to ensure you're using ChatGPT ethically and effectively. Throughout this lesson, we'll set the foundation for your journey with ChatGPT. We'll discuss real-world applications, success stories, and the evolving landscape of AI technology. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of what ChatGPT is and how it can be a game-changer in your pursuit of making money online. Remember, the goal here is not just to learn about ChatGPT, but to empower you to harness its capabilities confidently. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle, expand your existing business, or explore new creative avenues, ChatGPT offers a wealth of opportunities. So, let's get started and unlock the potential that awaits.